Getting your tile job done right means knowing the specialty tools every tile installer swears by, like a tile cutter and grout float. Alright, so here's the deal with tile installation tools. First off, a tile cutter is a must-have because it helps you make clean, straight cuts without breaking the tiles. Then you got the wet saw, which is perfect for cutting tougher tiles or making precise cuts around corners. A notched trowel is your go-to for spreading thinset evenly so your tiles stick properly and don't pop off later. Don't forget about the grout float. It makes filling those tiny gaps between tiles way easier and cleaner. A rubber mallet is clutch for tapping tiles gently into place without cracking them. If you're new to this, always keep your tools clean to avoid any mess or uneven finishes. Using these tools right can save you a ton of frustration and make your tile work look professional. One of the biggest mistakes people make with tile installation tools is using the wrong tool for the job, like trying to cut tiles with a regular saw instead of a wet saw or tile cutter, which can ruin the tile and waste money. Fix that by investing in the right tools up front. Another issue is not spreading thinset evenly with the notched trowel, leading to loose tiles or uneven surfaces. Always check for consistent coverage before laying tiles down. Lastly, rushing the grouting process without cleaning excess grout as you go leads to a messy finish. Keep a damp sponge handy and clean grout lines carefully while it's still wet. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and have the right tools for the job. Plus, it's a solid platform for contractors to connect with people looking for quality work, making those home projects less stressful all around.